Well, you know, say, me's a coach, you know, so this sweet my bad. Denbigh under 19 girls hockey team, champion hockey team, and their coach. This is, by the way, this is field hockey, not ice hockey. And their coach, Richard Piper, after their impressive victory in the 2025 Jamaica Hockey Federation ISA under 19 girls competition, beating the defending champions. No, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Clap on yourself, man. Clap on yourself, clap on yourself. All right, so morning and welcome. Let me introduce, this is Coach Piper here. Giovanna, put up your hand, make us see your hand up there. Christina, Dominique, Tia, Kalela. I don't reach Kalela yet, I leave out Malia. Yeah, put up your hand, Malia. Malia, you have the trophy, you should just throw it after me. Thank you. Kalela, Driana, Danae, Chenille, and the top goalkeeper and most valuable player, Neville Bell. See Vishana ready for some city here. That's Vishana down there. Vishana, congratulations. Coach, congrats. Congrats. Thanks, how you feel going up against the defending champion? Before you get to the final, tell me about the season. How was the season overall? Did you guys lose any games at all?
Yeah, I think we lost our first game. I think we lost about 2 games in total.
Yeah.
We lost our first game to Wolmer's, but I think the reason for that loss was because most of the girls weren't in training at that time. So, you know, going into that match, we were a bit unprepared. Okay. But as the season progressed, you know, we came with the training and we generally got better.
So getting to the final against the defending champions, were you never nervous?
Yes, sir. Very nervous.
Talk true.
I mean, nervous, yes.
No, one person said them never nervous. You know why? Because she scored the goal. Eh? You never nervous. I saw come to you. So you were nervous?
I'm not really nervous because I was.
Coach, you kind of look like you did nervous quietly.
No, no, man. Because we played a practice match against them, and then we played them again. They were the second team to beat us. Okay. Yeah. So going to the final, we played them so many times that we knew how to beat them.
All right. So by the way, may I go to commentary now? Ladies and gentlemen, Immaculate up 1-0. There is Denbigh. See the goal score right here. Tell me about the play and everything, how you end up scoring the goal.
Okay, so it was a short corner, and then I passed the ball to Tia Bennett, and then so she passed it into the goal, but the goalkeeper blocked the pass, but I was there, and I pushed it in the goal, and then the goal scored. And
Hold on now. Show me where you do after. Let me because you mash up the people and Mike. Show me where you do after you score the goal. That alone, you know?
No, like I jump 2 times, and then I run, and then I was
run,
like,
go where?
To my teammates.
Okay, all right. But they're supposed to come to you. You are the goal scorer.
Well, true.
But that was tying the game.
Yes.
All right.
The equalizer.
And then what? After you tie the game, what happened after that? How late in the game was the tying goal?
Last second.
The last 2 minutes. The last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes?
Yes, so I scored in the 48 minutes.
No, sir, you win easy. Then what?
And then I run, and then we jump, and then we say, yeah, no.
No, but 2 minutes leave where you run go.
No, listen.
No, like.
Hold on, here now, wait, listen now. All right, because listen, sorry.
I did there in a short corner.
Oh, you were in the short corner.
This
is Malia, by the way, right?
Yeah, Malia,
this is Malia, captain. Yeah. Very sorry.
And I was there, and I heard one of the Immaculate girls say, 2 minutes left in the game, 2 minutes. And I say, Father God, take your wheel. And I just, the one he push it on the goal, and I say, yeah. And I just run, and I just jump, and I just thank God.
So in other words, Father God did take the wheel.
Yes.
Which wheel, by the way?
The wheel.
The wheel.
The wheel.
Vishana, tell me now how come you end up being the top goalkeeper and stuff. This was from the penalty. Hold up the mic now. Penalty time now. How you feel?
I was a bit nervous.
Hold it up.
I was very nervous during the...
Sorry to jump in. Did you ever go through a penalty shootout before this one?
The semis, in semi-finals.
Semi-final win and penalty too?
Yes, sir.
Wait, walk one. So it's the biggest thing. All right, so this is Vishana Forshaw.
Yes, sir.
There you go. All right, tell me now about penalty shootout in the final. How you feel?
Well, in the finals, I was a bit nervous, but I was confident that I would get the win for my team because I was confident we were going to bring home the trophy whether Immaculate liked it or not. And when I went in to the penalties, I I stood there and I did what my coach told me to do. I stepped out and I defended the ball.
Christian, no, because in football, them have 5-5. In hockey, how much penalty each?
5.
5-5. So how many you saved?
I saved, only one scored. I saved 4.
Only one score?
Yes, sir.
No, man.
The keeper, man.
No, man, on the clap, man. On the clap, man. 1 out of 5?
Yes, sir.
Well, you are not only the greatest goalkeeper in Jamaica, you're the greatest goalkeeper in the entire world.
Thank you.
Fantastic. How did you feel? Hold the mic. This is Giovanna. Giovanna Anderson, and you scored a penalty.
Yeah.
How did you feel going up there?
At first, I was nervous, but then my sister was like, she was on the side of the turf. She said, if you score, you could get KFC. Okay. KFC. So, you know what I did? I listened to coach, go to Giovanna, go up there, drag the ball, and put it into the goal. I did that.
Question, you get the KFC?
Yes, we get the KFC. She gave me the $2,000 instantly, as soon as I scored the
Okay.
goal.
Who else scored a penalty?
Yeah.
And who else scored a penalty? All right. Give her the mic for me now. Please, hold on. I'm going to tell you who she is doing. No, this is Tia Bennett, penalty goal scorer. You were nervous?
I was
Which
nervous.
penalty did you kick? First, second, third, fourth? Which one you kick?
Which position? I was?
Yeah, which number?
For the first penalty shootout, I was the last person to go. And for the second in the finals, I think I was the third person to
So
go.
how did you feel?
I felt very nervous at first, but then Giovanna told me that we were going to get a zinger. So I was like,
Oh, so
all right.
Giovanna share the KFC with you?
No.
She don't share it. She don't share it with nobody. No, man, Giovanna come and go home. She never share it with anybody.
I didn't even know she got the money for the KFC.
Oh, but you scored.
Big bang.
Went to the left or the right of the goalkeeper.
So, as coach said, we were supposed to dribble to the left and then jog to the right. So I ended up sweeping the ball towards the left side of the goal.
Beautiful. Coach, how you feel?
Well, you know, to win a title, it's a great feeling because this is actually my second title in 3 years. In 2023, we won it. I was the assistant coach at that time, though. Yeah, so it's a great feeling to win 2 titles in 3 years.
You're a coach, you know.
Yeah, man.
You get none of the KFC?
I know we're not getting a
No, sir.
KFC.
You know me, you know me that done with she.
Yeah, no, I'm done with that, man.
Yo, you done with that?
I'm done.
No, sir. You should have never tell that story. I bet all our family never get none. We have some other members here. Come on, come. Everybody come in. Who's going to introduce them for me? Call the names for me.
So this is my defender,
Yeah.
Kalia Campbell.
Talia Campbell.
This is a forward, Janil Dinal.
Yeah.
And this is Shantia.
Yeah, don't turn your back because they want to see you. Right, Shantia. All right. Fantastic. Hold on, no, there's a male player here. I don't know what him doing.
Best for last, man. Best for last.
Come here, man. Them say best for last.
May we introduce him?
Hello, sir. Come stand up right beside me. Eh?
All right.
Tell me about your position and stuff like that. You're on the male team.
Yes, sir.
What's your position?
I am a striker.
How much you score? Plenty goal?
10.
You scored 10 goals?
Leading goal scorer.
MVP too.
One on a, but you never win like the ladies. Still came third.
Yeah.
That lady, where are they? I have one
Oh
question.
my God.
One single question. You get none of the KFC? No, sometimes Giovanna is the worst.
Yeah, tell him.
No. Me I leave her, make she take a bus, go back to school.
Yes, right.
No, you can't leave her. Congrats to everybody and congrats, young man. Congrats. By the way, one more question. Why hockey? Why hockey? Hold up the mic. Why hockey in the
Well-
first place? Anybody play netball and thing? Just straight hockey? Football?
Volleyball,
Basketball.
What, why hockey?
Well, I chose hockey because it seemed, at first, I joined because my friend was in there, but after I joined, I realized that it was a very interesting sport. I really enjoyed it.
Why goalkeeping?
Well,
You couldn't make the team nowhere else.
see, when I just joined, they wanted a goalkeeper, and they said that it was either me or someone else, and I volunteered.
Beautiful.
After I started goalkeeping, I loved it. I love goalkeeping
All right.
so much.
We're going to go, but I'm going to give you introduce everybody again. Just call the name as we leave, all the way around.
Shantia.
You just stay right there, so Uncle. You look like you love TV, you know. Yeah, go on. Now go back, some of them can see your face, yeah?
Shantia, Janelle, Kalia, Jason, Coach Piper, Giovanna, Christina, Dominique, Tia, Malia, Kalea, Driana, Danae, and Shaniel.
Here where me Vex. She walks straight past me.
And Mr. Neville Bell. I saved the best for last.
Hey. All right, Denbigh under 19 girls hockey team, their coach Richard Piper. When we come back, he said, she said, I love you. I love all of you. We have to repeat them one thing.
Bye.
We'll soon come.